Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly shut down your Windows 10 or any really computer's operating system by using a keyboard shortcut. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by holding down the Control Alt Delete keys on our keyboard at the same time. So again, Control Alt Delete should come through a screen that looks like this. Down in the bottom right corner, there should be a little power button. If you left click on that, should be an option to restart. And if you hover over it, it says closes all apps, turns off the PC, and then turns it on again. Just left click on that and your computer or device will begin to restart. So this hopefully should have been a pretty quick tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.